Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Coons, and if you watched the last video that I did, you'll see that I got a new computer. And on that computer came Final Cut Pro, so I'm switching from Adobe Premiere to Final Cut to do my video editing. And I'm in the studio today, and I've been doing a bunch of tutorials and trying to kind of figure out Final Cut. And so after doing a bunch of tutorials, I thought, hey, let's make a little video. So that's what this is. This is just my simple attempt to kind of get my feet wet in Final Cut. So I did a little promo thing with the Fuji x100VI, and here it is. Let me know what you think. Short video today. Just leave me a comment one way or the other. Just keep in mind, I'm learning a new software, and you know, I'm not a video editing expert by any means, so it is what it is. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.